Welcome, fellow TravelHolics, to another captivating journey. The beauty of Dubrovnik as we begin with a breathtaking panoramic view of the city walls and the crystal-clear waters of the Adriatic Sea. This is Discover Dubrovnik, a journey through the Pearl of the Adriatic. Dubrovnik's historic old town. Our journey takes us into the heart of Dubrovnik's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Walk with us along the majestic city walls, explore the fortifications, and discover key landmarks like Stradun and the Rector's Palace that narrate the tales of centuries past. Dubrovnik's Game of Thrones connection. Did you know Dubrovnik played a starring role as King's Landing in Game of Thrones? We unravel the city's connection to this epic series, taking you to key filming locations and sharing behind-the-scenes stories. On a Game of Thrones tour and step into the fantasy realm. Experiencing Dubrovnik's culture. Dubrovnik's rich cultural heritage, where local traditions come alive. From vibrant festivals to the historical significance of St. Blaise's Church and the Dubrovnik Summer Festival, every step echoes the city's deep cultural roots. Culinary delights of Dubrovnik. The flavors of Dubrovnik await. Join us in exploring local markets, savoring traditional dishes, and indulging in the city's vibrant food culture. Discover must-try foods as we take you on a culinary journey through the streets of Dubrovnik. As we conclude our odyssey through Dubrovnik, we invite you to plan your own adventure to this breathtaking destination. Visit our website to request a quote and turn your Dubrovnik dreams into reality. Thank you for joining us, fellow TravelHolics. Don't forget to subscribe for more captivating travel content. Explore more destinations with TravelHolics. Like, share, and subscribe to embark on new adventures with us. Until next time, happy travels!